How to make a custom hotbar in Roblox Studio. Add screen GUI in starter GUI. Name custom hotbar. Add frame name hotbar frame. Add image button name slot template. Add 2 text labels, name item name and number. Design your own custom hotbar. Once you have finished designing, select the slot template and choose Visible as False. Add local script in Custom Hotbar. Writing the script. This script will replace the default Roblox toolbar with a custom GUI. Service and object setup. Get the local player and GUI elements. Disable default hotbar. Key mapping for slots 1 to 0. Set hotbar state variables. This script will equip or unequip tool by slot. This function rebuilds all visible slots every time the tool list changes. Prevents refreshing if it's already in progress. Deletes all old slots, but keeps the template. Cleans tool order so it only contains valid tools. Ensures all tools are in the list and only added once. Highlight the slot if it matches this tool. Show up to 10 tools max. Build each slot UI. Show icon or fallback to name. Highlight if equipped. Final setup and done refreshing. Detects when number keys are pressed to equip tools directly. Refreshes the UI when tools are picked up, dropped, equipped, or unequipped. If the player dies and respawns, we update everything to continue working. Starts watching for changes and builds the initial hotbar. Click play in Roblox Studio and start testing. You can reselect Visible as True on the template slot to try out more decorations. And don't forget to select False again when you're done decorating. Click play in Roblox Studio and start testing. You're now equipped to start coding in Roblox Studio. Let your creativity run wild and see what you can build.